that even the NUP has not been very safe from that infiltration. You've seen a few members of two members of parliament. You've seen Jimmy Rwanga and Kagabo selling out. Yes, while we know that some politicians come to us because they know we are the ones that connect with people and they want to use us as a vehicle to get them to parliament, to office, to council and all that, I want you to know that the people cannot change. And my communication to you, the people of Uganda, is that see through those leaders. We've told you non-stop that regardless of what somebody says or what somebody identifies with, please judge them by their actions. You've also seen a few media platforms being used to sell a wrong narrative, to paint us as if we have a split within the NUP. Of course that is Museveni trying to use them. We are stronger than that, we are cleaner than that, and we are coming for you before you get us down. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I want today to announce to you that having traveled the world over, having galvanized our support the world over, we are back on the ground. And today I want to take this opportunity to announce to the country that we are going to carry out a nationwide tour. We're going to carry out a nationwide tour where we'll be meeting our leaders, we'll be opening offices across the country, and we'll be addressing the people of Uganda because it is within the law. We know that the last time our team tried to go and do their constitutional work, the Honorable Nyanzi there was beaten so badly. What answer kutambula bulungi mukulu? Yeah. You remember Nyanzi was almost killed, and many of them were attacked. But we shall not fear. You have seen Museveni's son moving actually illegally across the country, but with police and military protection. We don't want your protection. We just want you not to interfere with our business. So to the people of Mbarara, we are coming to you on Monday the 28th. Yes. And we are going to be opening our office, which is on Makan Singh Street. Then we shall be meeting our people at the Global High School playground. That will be 9 a.m. in the morning. Please be there to Esangeyo. Police, you are not invited. On the 29th, Tuesday 29th August, we are coming to Fort Portal. Abana batoro mubagambe tulikuija. Yeah, and we are going to be opening our office on Ruhandika Street, and then we shall be in Whispers Gardens speaking to our people. On Wednesday, we shall be in Kasese. We shall open our office on Alexander Street, Central Division, and we shall be holding a function. We shall be addressing people at the Bambucha Gardens. Yes, at the Bambucha Gardens, 9 in the morning. Bambucha, not a few issues, but most importantly, bringing back the hope and re-energizing our people, and of course, strategizing further on how best we are going to push the American government to review its policy on Uganda. For a long time, the American government has been the wind beneath Museveni's wing. Dictator Museveni has benefited so much from the American taxpayers' money to the detriment of Ugandans. The guns that kill us are given to him by Americans. The soldiers that torture us are trained by Americans. And the money that is being used to kill us, to oppress us, is given to him by Americans. So we put it to the American government to change its policy towards Uganda and towards the Museveni regime. We are glad that we are making a few strides. We hope to achieve much more. We also launched a film, a documentary film called The People's President. That film highlights the atrocities that the Museveni regime has meted on the people of Uganda. You will be watching it soon. It's going to be on Netflix, it's going to be on Disney, and it's released by Nat Geo, National Geographic Channel, the most important geographic channel in the world. So be sure that your plight is going to be seen across the world. For a very long time, Museveni has survived by lying to the world, putting on a suit, going abroad and presenting Uganda as a democracy. This is the first huge opportunity to expose Museveni. And as we speak now, most policy makers in America are considering reviewing their relationship with Museveni, because now they see him for the dictator and murderer that he is. That film will be coming to you. I know that it will be hard to allow it here in Uganda, but they don't control Disney, they don't control Nat Geo, so you will see it. Mujirinde mujakuwa mujiraba. I also want to update you, ladies and gentlemen, about our efforts to take Museveni, his son, and all those he uses to kill our people to the International Criminal Court. I am glad to inform you that Museveni, his son, and all those around him that are being used to torture and kill our people have been taken to the International Criminal Court. Now we are waiting upon the ICC to do the right thing and indict General Museveni. Like I've always been telling you, and I tell you now, that one day you are going to be looking at a wanted criminal, and that is Museveni and his son. So Museveni